back to the channel. What we have behind me is my 91 Civic EF, and we're going to be talking about the motor swap that I'm going to be putting into it. So I've been daily driving this car for about over a year now, and the engine, the D15B2, is starting to give me some issues. I had overheating issues the other day, and I'm leaking a crazy amount of oil down here. This engine has about 350,000 miles plus. So the engine is starting to give me signs of issues. So what I have here is a D15B7 from a 95 Honda Civic. Has around 11,000 miles on it. I got it from the junkyard. And I was able to source a 90 to 91 CRX SI cable transmission. You can see that it has the PL3 1000 series, and I was able to determine it's a 90 to 91 based on the mechanism. The shaft inside had two lines on it, so it's a 90-91. I cleaned it up, as you can see here. I took the time to actually degrease everything, cleaned it up very nice, and I have it assembled now here, ready to do the swap inside of here. Okay, so fun fact about this transmission is it's an SI trans, but what intrigued me about this transmission is rebuilt by Synchrotech. It has the original Synchrotech sticker on there. I was able to verify. I called them. I gave them the number that was originally stamped by Synchrotech for the rebuild. This transmission was rebuilt back in 2009 to OEM spec. So this transmission was rebuilt 13 years ago, and it ended up in the junkyard with the entire CRX. So I wanted to grab it and save it, and I cleaned it up, and now we're going to reuse it for this setup here, and hopefully everything works out accordingly. We're still going to use the original intake manifold. I do not plan on converting it and doing all the other wiring. I'm just going to put in the engine just so I can drive it. I really want this thing to continue to be on the road as fast as possible. The headers, not going to use these headers again. I'm going to go back to OEM. These headers are really banged up on the bottom, preventing air to flow smoothly. And I'm going to degrease the entire engine once I remove it. So alright guys, so it's a new day here. You can see I have the complete engine removed of the transmission. I have a huge mess here, so I got a lot of degreaser, and now we're going to begin the power washing to get all this gunk removed that I wasn't able to get the original time when I got the vehicle. We're also going to be removing the subframe because I ended up getting the manual power steering rack and the subframe off of a CRX here. And we're gonna go ahead and clean this up as well. And I have new inner and outer tie rods that I'm waiting for. We also have new axles here. I have the axles over there that I was able to get off the... It was in the garage, and I'm gonna take these back to AutoZone. I think they were lifetime warranty anyways. The radiator, not sure if I want to keep this radiator or not, but I do want to attempt to put AC back in the vehicle. I did bend the lines here to remove the engine. I'm gonna have to replace these lines. see here is very quiet engine, and I'm happy about that. And like I said, the SI tranny, I pretty much got a really good deal, good find on it. Rebuilt by Synchrotech back in 2009. Engine has about 11,000 original miles, and it's just a stock D15 B7. So I'm gonna be getting really good MPGs with this. And I still need to find the trim piece here, as the original one is damaged.